Hi, this is Fred Gagne from Hewlett Packard Enterprise, and today I'd like to showcase how to manage HPE Nimble Storage dHCI using our vCentry plugin. But first, let's do an overview of what HPE Nimble Storage dHCI is. Nimble Storage dHCI is a disaggregated hyperconverged platform that delivers the simplicity of HCI with the flexibility of converged. This new platform integrates hyperconverged control with the world's best-selling server, HP ProLiant, and the self-managing experience of HP Nimble Storage to uniquely gives enterprise effortless management and self-service with the performance, resiliency, and efficiency needed for business-critical apps. It's simple to deploy and manage with native, full-stack intelligence from storage to VMs and policy-based automation for virtualized environments. It's ready for business-critical apps with absolute resiliency with over 6 nines of measured data availability and sub-millisecond of low latency at consistent high performance. And finally, it's built for efficient scale with the ability to independently scale compute and storage non-disruptively with industry-leading data efficiency guarantee. That's enough with the high-level marketing pitch. Let's go over the demo. So first I click on HP Nimble Storage and then I select the Nimble groups. So here you have the home dashboard. On top you can see the performance of your Nimble array from a latency, IOPS, or megabyte per second perspective. You have the snapshot protection in place for your VMFS and your vVol VMs. You can see the usage of your environment from a virtualization and a storage perspective. If I go over the capacity saving, I can see all the data reduction mechanism that we have in place, such as deduplication and compression. Under System, you can find the wellness or the health of your environment from the virtualization, compute or physical server, and storage perspective. Here you have all the alarms and recent events coming from the Nimble array. Under Data Store, you have VMFS and vVol. Under VMFS, you can create, edit, grow, delete, snapshot, clone, and mount VMFS data store. Under vVol, you can create, edit, grow, and delete vVol data store. Under vVol VMs, you have local, replicated, and deleted. From this tab, you can manage your vVol VMs across local, replicated, and deleted VMs. Under Inventory, you have two options, Server and Storage. Under Server, you can see the host status of your ESXi host. You can see the ESXi management IP addresses, ILO IP address, and you can also find the server health. If I go over OK, I can see the server health of the server that I have in my environment. You can expand cluster to add any newly ProLiant server in your environment. You can remove server and you can also update password of each ESXi host that you have in your environment. Under storage, you can see the group name, the software version that you use. You can see the pool, all the usage of your Nimble array again, the saving. You can see the array, the serial number, the configuration, the usable capacity available, and the health as well. You can see the replication partner that you have in your environment. Under events, you can see all the log and alarms of the Nimble array. You can also acknowledge, unacknowledge, change reminder, and delete any alarms from the Nimble array. The last tab that we have is the configuration check. Here, we have defined 54 rules that we check every 24 hours to make sure that your environment use the correct configuration. As you can see here, I have two violations. Under detail, we explain or we provide you why you have a violation in your environment. In this one, the vSphere HA is not enabled on the cluster. Then I would have to enable vSphere HA to remove this error. If for some reason you do any modification in your environment, you can rerun the checks by yourself by hitting rerun check. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about HPE Nimble Storage dHCI, go to hpe.com/storage/dHCI.